Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to convert KV with OpenCV into an APK. So this video is very interesting. So before that, just hit the subscribe button and the like button. Okay, so let's start. Sorry. So open. First of all, you have to install Android SDK, sorry, Android Studio into your PC. So for this, you have to just open this Snap and install this Android Studio. So just copy this command and paste into your terminal. Okay, so I am not going to do that because I have already done. Okay, after the so after the download, just open Android Studio and download Android SDK, all these things. So can you get folder like this? So you can this is from this is this is downloaded by the Android Studio. Just download download the Android SDK from Android Studio and copy these tools. Okay, first copy these tools and open the all hidden files and open .buildozer and go to Android platform and Android SDK, and this is the tools. Just replace these tools with the new tools folder, but before that just store this tool into any other location. In any other location means in any other location of your hard disks, and you can store any pen drive or any other so just or you can just compress this into a zip file and store here also, and just paste the new tools. Okay, so I'm not going to do that, but because I already have done. So after all these things, just open tools and bin and open terminal here. Okay, so and just paste this command first, sudo update this command into this terminal. So and just enter password and select this Java 8 Java-8 OpenJDK ARM AMD64. For this you have to just enter 2. You can see all this index 0 1 2, so you have to select this Java 8. So I have done this, and then just copy this in this command and paste in this bin in this terminal and hit enter. It will take some time. Okay, just I am pausing this video. So it is completed. After all these things, you are ready to go. So or you can so one thing I want to tell you, you can just installed a latest API by using this command. Just copy and paste in bin directory, and you can just choose the latest version equal to 30 or 28, 27. Okay, so you can do using this command. Okay, so I have already installed 30 version, so I'm not doing this now. So you can do this now. Just go back home folder and closing all this, and this is my Kivy with OpenCV application. You can get the code from the my GitHub page, and open my GitHub page and just go to repositories and just open this Kivy Android face detection. So here you can get code from here. Just download this code and unzip. After that all these things are here. Now open this main.py with Sublime or any other text editor, and I have did some modifications here. So what type of modification I have did? I have done. So here see the I have write piece of code to get the permission from user. Okay, so copy this. Let's increase some font size. So request permissions and permissions, and I am just taking permission from user. Here request permission, I'm just using request permission function and taking the permission, right external storage permission and camera permission. Okay, and I have changed the resolution. You can change the resolution. I am just setting 1280,720, which is 16:9 aspect ratio, and you can choose 640,480 also. Just write this. Okay, and I have did some rotation. So I rotate this widget angle 180 degree. Okay, this canvas before and push matrix rotate, all these things. Just copy this code or write. Okay, otherwise the image will be any other rotation. So I just did this rotation. Okay, so and here I have just imported Android hardware and just imported camera info nested class of this camera class from the Android API. So just to convert this Java class into Python class, you have to use this auto class method from Genus. From Genus import auto class, and I have just imported this auto class and converted into Python class. Just okay, and from it I have just take the index, the camera info. I'm just choosing front camera. Okay, so camera info dot camera facing front, and I'm just changing the index of camera equal to camera info dot camera facing front. Okay, and as I am using this camera class from Kivy and just creating this Android camera class, so I can use all the attribute and methods of camera. This is the rule of inheritance. Okay, so this all these things, just open and just download this code. Okay, so that's all. And now just open buildozer .spec file. Okay, so first of all you have to just create buildozer .spec file. So to convert any Python module, sorry, not any, the Python programs to application or Android application, you have to use buildozer. So what is buildozer and how to install in your PC? I already have uploaded that video. Just watch that video. Okay, so one thing here in this code already buildozer spec file is already is here, so you don't worry about that. Just open this buildozer.spec file and write these requirements. Okay, and just you can choose any orientation, portrait, landscape, whatever you want, and you can choose 1 for full screen and 0 for not full screen. And this Android permission is, I'm just taking camera permission, and you can choose the API label, all these things. Okay, so and you can select the Android 32-bit or 64-bit version. I'm just choosing this 32-bit version. Okay, for Android 64-bit version you have to choose this 64-bit V8 version. Okay, and for other Android system, for x86 processor or x86 64-bit processor, so you can choose these things. I don't know will it work or not, because I've not tested. Okay, I have tested only if, in ARM Android. Okay, ARM processor. Okay, so that's all. Most of okay, so you can choose any of them. You can test, and you can comment below it is working or not. Just choose these things. Okay, so that's it. Now just open terminal here and write this buildozer -v android debug deploy run and space logcat. You can choose you can set logcat. For this you have to just write these logcat filters. Just uncomment this line and just write these things, so it will automatically show the logcat or ADB log of when you are when buildozer will push the APK into your phone. So to know about what is buildozer and all these commands, just open buildozer, buildozer TV, buildozer. So internet is very slow, I think, today. I don't know why it is not. Okay, so just open buildozer website and you can read. So and after all these things, just enter. Oh, wait for some time. It will take 30 or 40 minutes first time, and after and so it is completed. You can collect the APK from this bin directory. Okay, that's all, and just put into your phone, or install into your phone, and you can okay. So I will show you quick demonstration, a small demonstration, how it is working in my phone. So I'm just now pausing this video, and uh, so here it is. Now I am launching this application in my Android 8. So it is now working, but is yes. So sometime it just detecting my face and sometime not. Yes. So you can see the rectangle just around my face. It is detecting my face. So that's all is working. So thus you can convert this OpenCV application into your APK, into APK with Kivy. So that's all for today. So like, share and subscribe my channel, and so that's all for today. Just I'll see you next video. So bye.